Welcome to Money Hustle 360, where we turn hustle into cash. Today, we're diving into 10 digital marketing hacks that will explode your online income. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these strategies will help you level up your game and make more money online. Ready to hustle smarter, not harder? Let's get started. First up, SEO, search engine optimization. This is the backbone of digital marketing. By optimizing your website or blog with the right keywords, you can rank higher on Google and attract more organic traffic. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you find high-traffic keywords. Remember, the higher you rank, the more eyes on your content, and the more money in your pocket. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience. Build an email list using lead magnets like free ebooks or discounts. Then send personalized, value-packed emails to nurture your subscribers. Platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit make it easy. The ROI? For every $1 spent, email marketing generates $42. That's a no-brainer. Want to go viral? Focus on creating shareable, engaging content. Think listicles, how-to guides, or emotional stories. Use eye-catching headlines and visuals to grab attention. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help you design stunning graphics. When your content goes viral, your income skyrockets. Ever visited a website and then saw their ads everywhere? That's retargeting. It's a powerful way to bring back lost customers. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads let you retarget people who've already shown interest in your product. The result? Higher conversion rates and more sales. Influencer marketing is a game changer. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products or services. Even micro-influencers with smaller followings can drive massive engagement. Use platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence to find the right influencers for your brand. Their audience becomes your audience. Cha-ching! Over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're losing money. Use tools like Google's mobile-friendly test to check your site's performance. Optimize for speed, readability, and ease of use. A seamless mobile experience equals more conversions. Video is king. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, video content drives engagement like nothing else. Create tutorials, product demos, or behind-the-scenes videos to connect with your audience. Tools like iMovie or Adobe Premiere Pro can help you edit like a pro. More views, more income, or save time and boost efficiency with automation. Use tools like Zapier or HubSpot to automate repetitive tasks like email follow-ups, social media posting, and lead scoring. Automation lets you focus on what really matters, growing your business and making money. Never stop testing. Use A/B testing to experiment with different headlines, images, or calls to action. Tools like Optimizely or Google Optimize make it easy. Small tweaks can lead to big results. Remember, optimization is the key to maximizing your income. Finally, build a loyal community around your brand. Use Facebook groups, Discord, or Slack to connect with your audience. When people feel like they're part of something bigger, they're more likely to support you. A strong community equals long-term success. And there you have it, 10 digital marketing hacks that will explode your online income. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.